How to stop someone from saving your snaps on Snapchat. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Snapchat application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Further, take a snap, and once you've taken a snap, you will see the infinity icon on the bottom right of your screen. Tap on that, and that is the timer for your snaps. So instead of infinity, go ahead and set it to 1 second or 2 seconds or 3 seconds, which simply means that you are reducing the time limit of how long your friends can view your snap, and with this, they will no longer be able to save your snap. Also, if you are sending a video, then go ahead and take a video, and once taken, while sending the video, tap on the loop icon on the bottom again and set it to play once, and with this, they will not be able to save your snaps. So this is how you can stop someone from saving your snaps on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.